Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world. So guys, today we are going to do a review of my recently added VIP banknote set of Thailand. So what you are seeing in front of you is actually a VIP folder that I have bought recently, which is having a uncut set of banknotes of Thailand, like as you can see here. So what we are going to learn today is what is this VIP set, like why it was issued and why did Thailand like so much importance in issuing such kind of banknote set, why it is a unique piece in relation to banknotes and everything. So all that we are going to learn today. So let's begin without wasting much time. So as you are seeing here, this is a uncut banknote sheet set issued by Thailand in the year 2007. So if you are like looking into the banknote set, you can actually see that like they have given in like on the bottom of the folder that it is issued in 2007. I hope that's clear now. So this is actually issued in 2007 in order to commemorate the 80th birthday of their king, that's the King Bhumibol Adulyadej. So his 80th birthday they were celebrating and they wanted to issue something really interesting in case of banknotes, because if you are looking into the banknotes of Thailand, they have always issued some kind of like unique banknotes like the square Thailand banknote, which is like quite popular among the collectors, and this is another popular item among collectors because this is an uncut banknote. Now a lot of countries issue uncut banknote, that's quite normal, but this is a very unique piece because on the other side, instead of like having three different kind of things, they made the entire backside of the three banknotes as a single piece, like a single picture only, not like three pictures. So usually if you are getting an uncut banknote, you can cut it into three and it will look like a normal banknote, but in this banknote they have actually portrayed the entire like life story of their king, and they have like made that banknotes backside in a single picture. So it's very unique, like I have never seen any other banknote with uncut banknote sheet with like this feature. So that's why they are like very unique in nature. Now let's see learn a little bit about the folder in itself. So this is actually a VIP folder they have issued with the issuing of the banknote. It has details written in both Thai and English, as you can see here. So in English and Thai they have written. So in English you can read from here why this is like written like issued and everything. So to commemorate the auspicious occasion of His Majesty King's 80th birthday, 5th December 2007. Now this is undated banknote actually, so a lot of banknotes come without having a date, that's quite normal, but from the date that is given in the folder we can understand that this is issued in the 2007. And the features of the banknote, like the security features, the meaning of the images, everything is actually written in a very detailed manner in this file. And on the back side actually we can see here, we can see the amount they have like printed. So it's around 1 crore they have like minted where of this set, and where it has minted, the physical dimensions of the banknote and everything. So they are like given it in a very nice manner. So that's the general understanding of this VIP folder. Now let's look into the banknotes they have given in this set. So normally in the uncut sheets you will be seeing like a single denomination. For example, if it's of $1 or 1 rupee, the uncut sheet will be comprising of three $1 or 1 rupee. But look at here, they have like made a different kind of uncut sheet that is comprising of 1 baht, 5 baht and 10 baht. So it's a very unique way of like printing money they have taken here, because this was only for like that occasion. I don't think they are using it like in for a normal business, but this is actually a legal tender that is commemorating legal tenders with unique features are common among the countries, even though India is not having one yet. Actually only one for the Mahatma Gandhi's commemoration, but other than that there is no other commemorative banknote that any country has issued in that manner. So this is a very unique piece to add to your collection if you are like adding it to your collection. And The features of this banknote are like this. So what written here is, I'll like give a brief explanation of that. Here you can see three different images of His Majesty of three different periods, and the royal symbol of Garuda and Airavat or the Airavat elephant is like given here. And along with that, this side in normal Indo-Arabic numerals they are given 1, 5 and 10 baht, which is the face value. And here also the face value is given in Thai language. And along with that, the images of the king's coronation and his procession and giving audience, everything is like given in the front side. So that's a basic front side idea. On the back side, his entire life cycle is like given in this manner. So for example, from his birth to his till now, they have given all the important occasions, the images of all the important occasions they have like given in that manner. So that's a like a really nice banknote to have in your collection, and because they have put a lot of thought, a lot of creativity in creating this banknote. So I recommend, like if you are like beginning into collection, like if you want to have a decent collection, this is a unique banknote piece that you should have in your collection. Now I'm not forcing you to like buy and everything, but I'm just saying that this is a good piece to have it. Now let's look into the UV light analysis, because they are saying that there are like some kind of images you can see if you are like doing the UV light analysis. So that's the UV light analysis. Now I'm like giving a closer look of the same so that you will understand how it will look. So it really, with the folder, it makes a really good item to be added to your collection, and you can see here everything is written in a proper manner and everything. So it's a really nice piece, a quite unique piece, because I haven't seen any other country issued a uncut sheet in such a manner. So that's really nice. If you want to add this to your collection, I'm giving the place where you can check for it in the description, so you may check it out. So I hope you liked today's discussion, and if you want to keep watching such kind of discussion about coins and currencies around the world that has unique features and unique stories, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not be missing any of them, and you will be getting all of them in your tab as a notification. So till meeting with a new video, bye bye.